Hi, my name is Dr. Madden. I'm one of the osteopaths at Health House Clinics. I'm joined by Dr. Kate Begley, one of our chiropractors at Health House Clinics. We showed you in the previous video how to make a back ball using a couple of balls from the reject shop and some duct tape. We're going to show you how to use this for your neck, thoracic spine and your lumbar spine, but before we do that I'm going to show you how to do a couple of exercises using two plain tennis balls that can get rid of your lower back and gluteal pain. There's always one. Okay, where are we going? Keep going. Okay, let's start with glutes. Caitlin, can I have you lying on your back with your feet up the center, please? We should have given an anatomy lesson first.
I feel like this video is
This is like, we're going. Okay, I'm out of shot. I'm in shot. So, we're going to take these tennis balls that we used before, and we're going to try and place them right in the middle of the glute. So if we get Caitlin just to roll her bottom towards the camera, right basically where her pocket line is, we're going to place the ball directly on it and then have Caitlin rest her weight on that ball. Can you feel any pressure through the ball?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying the pressure?
It's excellent.
Okay, so now to increase this, we can then take her opposite leg, bring the foot to the opposite knee, right, and then start to roll towards the camera, and now we're starting to get an increased load. So the whole point of this is we're trying to trigger point the glute muscles. Now the glute muscles are designed to stabilize the pelvis. They can become really, really tight, which can squash nerves or can create pain further down to the knee. By inhibiting that muscle with a tennis ball, you turn the muscle off. So if the muscle has gone into spasm, we're turning the muscle off, and therefore the muscle can return back to normal tension. And then while we're here, we can do some gentle mobilization over that, or we can make it a bit worse by bringing this foot up and going into a glute stretch. So Caitlin is going into what we call a figure 4 position. I'm going to get you to grab hold of this leg, pull it through, and now most of Caitlin's lower body weight is through this ball, to which we can then mobilize again. How's that feeling, Caitlin?
That is definitely the...
Really enjoyable?
Yeah.
We can also do some circles, okay? Or we can gently place your hands down by the bed so you're nice and balanced, and slowly tilt even further across. And you can pretty much work the entire gluteal area with this ball. Okay, so that's how you can release the glutes with the ball. If one ball's too much, we can add a second to the other side. Roll that way. And now, I'm going to go get the camera, but we now basically have a tennis ball under each glute. We can do the exact same thing. Give your knees a cuddle, and we can roll left and right, or we can roll forwards and backwards. What are you feeling, Caitlin?
Yeah, left and right some more.
So you confirmed what I just said?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, good. So here's how you can release your glutes with a tennis ball, nice and simply. Coming up next, lumbar spine. I'm like I'm getting that thumbs up.